Let's look at two tools to help with comprehension. The first one is an add-on, which is in a Google Doc, and it's called Texthelp Study Skills. It is from the company called Texthelp. They also make Read&Write for Google Chrome. They also offer this free highlighting tool. And if I click it, the sidebar shows up here with different options, colored highlights. And what I can do is go in and highlight words or groups of words or sentences. And I can collect those highlights in a meaningful way. I can use color coding to help. I could pick out all the verbs or all the nouns and color code them, whatever the activity might be. But right now I'm just demonstrating how this works and get a few words highlighted. Then I choose Collect Highlights. After that, you have a choice of creating a new document that has these highlights based on the document position or on the color. I'll go ahead and choose color since I chose multiple colors here. And I'll say Collect Highlights. And once that happens, you open your new document and it has the highlights collected. And you can then go in and do any more editing that you want to do. And it also grabs the link from the document. So the other tool I want to show you to help with comprehension is an embedded vocabulary tool that is actually in the Read&Write tool. So if I open up that toolbar, and I have very similar highlighting tools that we just had seen in that add-on, but now they're in Texthelp Read&Write. And I'm going to go ahead and keep these highlights because it'll recognize those as well. But I'll choose a couple more words and highlight them so we can work on this demonstration. I want to show you the vocabulary tool. So I've highlighted some vocabulary words, and now I'm going to use this vocabulary tool and click the icon. It's going to generate a vocabulary list, and it'll actually create a brand new document, and it'll dump all of those words, their meanings, and it'll attach a symbol, if it can find one, into that symbol column, and it also leaves a column for you to make some notes. This is just a table, so you can at this point adjust it. Let's say you're creating an assignment for your student, and so you can adjust what is in these cells, and you can also adjust what they see in terms of what automatically populates here. So I can adjust some of the content down, I can change some words. If there are too many pictures or ones that don't make sense to my student, we can get rid of those. And you can insert too. So if there's something, for instance, like Martian did not pull up a picture, you can actually go grab a picture and copy and paste it in here. But it's an easy, quick way to make vocabulary lists and vocabulary activities for your students.